can. I'm bored still. And I just dripped a bunch of paper. But I figured I'd do one of my kitty cat. Turbo, come here. Come here, kitty kitty. She's like, oh no, I'm not falling for it. Come here. Turbo. He's a sweet kitty. He's just so lovable and fluffy. Meow. 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 Nothing? No. Haha, I got you. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. He's gonna kill me after this. He hates the mirror. He doesn't like the way he looks or something. But every time I hold him in front of the mirror, he's like, nope. He just likes to see his tail in the mirror. Right, Turbo? Oh, nope, you're cleaning yourself now. Bye!